The majority of individuals desire stable and comfortable financial lifestyle. We aspire to be wealthy so that we may live a luxurious lifestyle and purchase everything we choose. Despite having a clear aim in mind, being rich is a difficult path to start. However, there are a few tried and true activities you may engage in to assist in your financial success. In this video, we will tell you 8 tips which, if you follow, you will get rich in 2023. So let's start with the first tip. 1. Add value. The fact that they are useful in certain ways is a trait shared by many self-made millionaires. Even when billionaires and millionaires are excluded, numerous wealthy people, including surgeons, technicians, and movie makers, have amassed wealth by first contributing value to themselves and subsequently to the world. For instance, a wealthy neurosurgeon could be particularly talented and skillful. After enhancing their own abilities as well as their quality of life, this surgeon offered value to the globe. A smart place to start on your path to wealth is by adding value to yourself. Develop some information or abilities that would make it appropriate for someone to pay you well. Make the case that you deserve a high salary since you will improve people's lives in return. 2. Tax yourself. The idea of conserving money is not brand new. To dip into your savings, however, is quite simple when you truly desire something. You must genuinely make an effort to save money if you want to achieve your aim of accumulating riches. Consider your savings as taxes as an alternative perspective on them. Once you pay your taxes, you never get the whole amount back. Treat your savings in the same manner. Save money in a savings account or move it to a wholly other account that you cannot access. Until the day when you receive it all at once, treat your savings as though it were money you would never see again. Please do subscribe our channel and like the video for getting regular videos related to finance. 3. Make a plan and stick to it. It's quite unlikely that you'll suddenly find yourself surrounded by endless wealth. While it could appear that many of the success tales you hear are the result of pure chance, this isn't the case. The majority of wealthy individuals become wealthy via careful preparation and discipline. However, there may be some element of chance and serendipity involved. This contains a strategy for what to do at each stage of the success process, as well as factors like finances and timetables. Maintaining momentum is crucial, so avoid becoming complacent. Having a strategy in place saves time without sacrificing effectiveness. Making and sticking to a budget is simply one step in this procedure. 4. Invest. The fundamental tenet of investing is that you should always make more money than you invest. Nevertheless, it's crucial to make informed investing decisions. There are many investments you may make, but it can be challenging to determine which one will yield a return on your money. Real estate can occasionally be a wise investment, but it is also pricey. Even while stock market investing might be dangerous and unstable, it does not always have to be expensive. It might depend on how well the company you work for is doing whether or not you should invest in a 401k, which is a sensible choice. Make sure to invest with reasonable consideration since there are many aspects to take into account. Before deciding to invest, consult professionals or trusted friends who have invested previously. 5. Show gratitude. In order to thrive in whatever enterprise you've started and become wealthy, numerous personality variables must line up. Every step of the way, it's crucial to maintain your humility and gratitude for the accomplishments you've accomplished. Individuals do not want to donate their earnings to a person who does not seem to value it or who behaves excessively after experiencing even a small bit of success. The best course of action is to maintain perspective in your life and to have a caring, appreciative, and modest attitude. Once again, I would like to remind you to subscribe our channel. 6. Learn to be patient. Patience is a vital personality quality for success and wealth. Nothing significant ever happens in a single night, and you can and will not become wealthy in a short period of time. It could take a couple of years or months for all the work you put into building money to start paying off. Early on, it's simple to begin to lose patience, particularly if it appears like there's a new affluent individual making news headlines on a daily or weekly basis. But it's important to understand that your rate of success need not match theirs. Patience may pay enormous rewards in the long term. This does not imply that you should adopt a passive attitude or choose to wait things out rather than embracing dangers. It may take some time to achieve success, and losing patience will hinder your attempts to succeed. 7. Continue to learn. It's important to make an effort to educate yourself as well as just in your profession of choice, but also throughout your opinions about the world. If you want to decide whether to invest or learn about the latest developments, for instance, being current with the latest headlines is crucial. Any attempt to generate money will inevitably fail due to lack of knowledge. This means that you need to keep learning new things. Important occurrences or trends cannot be ignored since they all present you with either a threat or an opportunity. It's crucial to keep up with current affairs and educate oneself about them. You can simply watch news or watch our videos on a daily basis. Reading books is also a good choice. 8. Start your own business. The remaining 4 stages establish the basis for you to be able to launch your own business, albeit they are far easier said than done. This might be a terrific first step toward earning money if you have an aptitude for business or desire to be your own boss. However, as many business owners will inform you, starting your own company demands significant upfront investments and minimal initial earnings. Being an entrepreneur requires a significant shift in lifestyle and is not a quick route to wealth. It has its own special tribulations and benefits, and in many situations, it is well worthwhile. This is not, however, a decision that should be made casually. To succeed, you need courage, perseverance, and a little bit of luck. Even if it could take some time to happen, it can undoubtedly help you become financially successful. That's it for this video. Now you know all the tips to make money very quickly in 2023. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe our channel and also like this video. This small action of yours motivates us to make more videos about personal finance. Feel free to comment below if you have any query. Inform us if we have missed out any point. Share this video to your friends also. Thank you for watching the video.